Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bloodstrike with keyboard and mouse. First, you will need to connect your keyboard and mouse. If you are on a mobile device, use a USB hub and an OTG cable to link your peripherals. For PC players, simply plug them in. Once connected, launch Bloodstrike and head straight into the settings. This initial setup ensures your game recognizes your new input methods, preparing you for a smoother, more precise gameplay experience. It's a quick and easy first step. Next, let's talk about customizing your keybinds. Bloodstrike offers extensive options to tailor controls to your playstyle. Head to the Controls menu to see the default layout. You can reassign keys for movement, combat actions like shooting and aiming, and essential utilities such as your striker skill or throwing grenades. Many players prefer W, A, S, D for movement, and the left and right mouse buttons for firing and aiming. Experiment to find what feels most natural and responsive for you. Optimizing your mouse sensitivity is crucial for accurate aiming. Start by adjusting your mouse's DPI, typically between 400 and 1600, to a comfortable level. Within Bloodstrike, you'll find separate sliders for camera sensitivity, which controls your hipfire, and firing sensitivity for when you aim down sights. A key tip is to set sensitivity acceleration mode to fixed speed to ensure consistent aiming without unpredictable changes. Spend some time in the training grounds to dial in these settings for maximum precision. Finally, let's discuss advanced movement and practice. Mastering techniques like the slide cancel jump can significantly improve your survivability, making you a much harder target to hit. Consistently strafing during firefights also enhances your evasion. The Hot Zone game mode is an excellent place to practice these movements and refine your aiming in a dynamic environment. The true mastery comes from combining these techniques fluidly, keeping your enemies guessing and giving you a significant advantage in every engagement. Keep practicing, and you'll see vast improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.